This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Angela Krogen. 3-bed, 2-bath lakefront home in the gated community of River Marina Estates Community Clubhouse, Fitness Center, Pool and St Lucie Waterway Boat Ramp Access. Island kitchen. Granite counters. Tin ceilings. Full impact windows and doors. 2-car garage. Trucks allowed but no commercial vehicles. Lawn care included in monthly rent. No pets, no smoking. Close to I-95. Martin County Schools. Property to start showings on August 7, 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Krogen at 772-219-1111.